Hi, welcome to the second part of our series titled Principles of Data Analysis. In this video, we'll be talking about business context and the types of data analysis that we have. We'll look at how understanding the business shapes which analysis actually delivers value. So, when we are doing data analysis, usually it starts with the business, not the data. So you have to understand how the business operates before you look into the data of the business. Before opening a single data set, an effective analyst understands what the business is trying to achieve, how it's structured, and how it actually operates day to day. Domain knowledge is what turns numbers into relevant insight. So we have two sides of business context, namely the business aims and goals, and the structure, culture, and operations of the business. So under business aims, we are looking at what the organization is working toward to revenue targets, market position, customer outcomes, and how the analysis supports getting there. All in all, we are talking about the mission and vision of the business. And under structure, culture, and operations, we are looking at how the organization is arranged, how decisions get made, and how work actually flows day to day. So we are looking at the hierarchy within that organization, who reports to who and what is being reported to who. So we have professional standards that you need to look at within a business. These are known as skills, knowledge, and behaviors. Under skills, we're looking at technical and analytical capability, which are the practical tools of the job. So we're saying, do you have the skills to do the job? Then we have the second professional standard is knowledge. That is understanding of the domain, the data, and the methods available. So if you want to do data analysis, do you have the skills of doing data analysis? Do you have the knowledge of the methods that are going to be used in data analysis? Then lastly, we have behaviors. This is where we'll be looking at professional conduct, objectivity, integrity, and clear communication. Next, let us look at the 4 types of analytics. Yes, in the introduction, we talked about what data analysis is. Now we'll look at the types of data analysis, or how we distinguish the 4 types of data analytics. So different business problems cover different types of analysis. So thereby, knowing which to reach for is the core skill applied the core skill of applied data analysis. The first data analysis we have is descriptive analytics. This one describes what happened. We'll look furthermore in the upcoming slide. Then we have diagnostic, where we'll be asking, why did it happen? Then we have predictive, what's likely to happen next. Then lastly, we have prescriptive, how do we make it happen, or what is the remedy for this problem that we have. So you notice that some of these data analytics work hand in hand. For example, diagnostic data analysis, it works with descriptive analytics. Like first, the data we have at descriptive analysis is the one that we are going to feed to diagnostic analysis. So let's look at descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics summarizes historical data to reveal patterns and trends. For example, sales last quarter, website traffic last month, customer churn last year. So it is a branch of analytics that focuses on summarizing historical data to answer the question, what happened? It focuses on the past and uses aggregation or summarization to create a comprehensive view. For example, we might be looking at the total sales or the average number of items sold. Descriptive analytics also uses or makes use of visualizations, that is, findings presented in an easy to digest format like charts, graphs, reports, etc. So the common outputs under descriptive analytics are dashboards, reports, KPI summaries. So some of the tools we use under descriptive analytics might be Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Power BI, and it is the foundation of every other type of analytics. As I stated before, that they are somehow related. The next type of analytics is diagnostic analytics. So as the name suggests, we are finding the reason why what we got at descriptive analytics happened. So this one is a branch of analytics that focuses on discovering reasons behind past outcomes to answer the question, why did it happen? Suppose we said, suppose during the descriptive analytics we had profit in the organization. Diagnostic analytics will now look at why do we have profit, or where is the profit coming from. So it tends to dive deeper into the source. So diagnostic analytics takes the next step by digging deeper into the data to identify anomalies, correlations, and causal relationships. It focuses on the root causes, but specifically isolates variables to find out why a metric went up, down, or stayed the same. At some point, it even uses statistical techniques. Next up is predictive analytics. So we are saying the first was diagnostic, descriptive. Second was diagnostic, and now third is predictive. So predictive, we are forecasting what is likely to happen next. So it uses historical patterns, statistical models to estimate future outcomes. That's like demand forecast, risk scores, and likely churn. So predictive analytics build on descriptive data as its foundation. Its outputs are probabilities, not certainties, and it answers the question, what's likely to happen next? So as the definition stated, predictive analytics uses historical patterns to see or to look at the position that the organization might be in the future. So suppose we have a store and it has been generating profits for the past few months, and we look closely using diagnostic analytics and see that the profits are mostly coming from winter jackets because it's winter. So predictive analytics might predict that in the coming year, in the same season, there are going to be profits from the same side. Thereby, predictive analytics answer the question, what is likely to happen? Lastly, we look at prescriptive analytics. So prescriptive analytics are more of a remedy to the problem that we have, or to the problem that we have, or to the current standing of an organization. So this is the recommended best next action for the organization. Prescriptive analytics goes a step further than predicting. It recommends specific actions, often using optimization techniques to achieve a desired outcome. So it combines prediction with optimization logic, and it often powers automated recommendations, and it answers what's the best action to take. So tools that are used in prescriptive analytics might include AI, machine learning, statistical methods, probabilities, etc. etc. So while descriptive tells you what happened, diagnostic tells you why, and predictive tells you what might happen, prescriptive analytics goes a step further by evaluating multiple scenarios and suggesting the best course of action. As I stated before, prescriptive analytics is action-oriented. It moves beyond mere insights and predictions to provide concrete recommendations and decision options. So we should be, as a data analyst, you should be able to match the analysis to the problem, right? So the best analysts don't default to one method. They diagnose the business question first, then choose descriptive, decision. Here it was supposed to be diagnostic, predictive, or prescriptive analytics based on what will actually deliver value. So before you choose the method to use, you have to consider, does the question ask what happened, what to do, what's next, or how to achieve it? That answer points to the right type of analytics. And you should note, sometimes we can use multiple methods to solve a problem. So let's look at the recap. We looked at effective analysis. We noted that effective analysis starts with understanding business aims, structure, and professional standards. And we looked at descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. And all of these each answer to a different business question. We also noted that choosing the right type of analysis is a core professional skill, not a technical afterthought. So in the next video, we'll look at data protection and regulatory compliance.
This series is offered to you by OG Publishes and sponsored by iTrain IT Consultancy and Training. For more information, visit the OG Publishes website at www.og.visiocommunity.co.zw. The presenter is Bliss Charoedza. Thank you for watching.